Hi everyone, welcome. We're going to start a new series of lessons on how to do negation in French. In other words, how to say not. For example, how to say I do not go as opposed to I go, or I do not work as opposed to I work. So not in French is either ne pas or n with the apostrophe and pas. I have the ellipsis here because the ellipsis represents the conjugated verb. So all you have to do is wrap the ne pas around the conjugated form of the verbs, or the ne and the apostrophe pas. If the conjugated form begins with a vowel, then you use the n apostrophe. So let's take a look at an example. If I say je parle, that means I speak, but if I want to say I do not speak or I don't speak, in French we take the ne pas and we wrap it around this conjugated form of the verb, so you end up with je ne parle pas. So this is the conjugated form. The ne goes before and the pas goes after. And this means don't. The ne pas means don't. So I don't speak or I do not speak. Je ne parle pas. Let's look at another example here. I work. Je travaille. If I want to say I don't work, again, take the ne, place it before the travail, and the pas, place it after the travail, and you have je ne travaille pas. Je ne travaille pas. I don't work. It's pretty much that simple. Okay, that was my dog commenting in the background, mon chien. I guess he doesn't like negation in French. Okay, so let's look at more examples. I am in French is je suis, je suis. If I want to say I am not, remember ne before the verb and pas after. So je ne suis pas. Je suis, I am not. Je ne suis pas. I have, j'ai. Now notice that the conjugated verb form begins with a vowel, and this apostrophe gives you a hint at what you have to do. Remember, it's not the ne, but the n apostrophe. So I don't have is je n'ai pas. I have, j'ai. I don't have, je n'ai pas. Let's look at a few more examples. I play, je joue. I don't play, je ne joue pas. I like, j'aime, and again this apostrophe should remind you, use the n apostrophe instead of the ne. So I don't like, je n'aime pas. I like, j'aime. I don't like, je n'aime pas. And that's pretty much it. To continue learning negation and learning French, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go on to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.